Hello guys, and today's video I will talk to you about offshore accident lawyer. So in this video you will get all the information about that topic, which is called offshore accident lawyer. And please make sure that you have to watch that video, and you will get all the questions, and you will get all the answers regarding your questions. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, and I will try to reply you, and you will get your answer. So please make sure watch complete video, and then we will I will take you to the screen, and you will see that how offshore accident lawyer works. So let's go to the screen.
Austin offshore accident lawyer is working offshore can be exciting, but it can also be dangerous no matter how many safety precautions you take. Accidents and injuries are common and sometimes fatal. Offshore workers can experience devastating injuries caused by dangerous conditions on offshore platforms, crew boats, jackup rigs, and tankers, and in the ocean itself. Workers often aren't sufficiently trained and work long hours with few breaks, making the risk of injury even higher. When a serious injury occurs in an offshore accident, it can be emotionally and financially devastating for the victim. It can also be hard to determine where to start when it comes to recovering damages from personal injury or wrongful death. A good place to start is to contact an offshore accident lawyer with experience in personal injury and maritime law, who can wade through the complex details of your case and help you get the best recovery possible. So now we are going to explain some common causes of offshore accidents. Offshore and oil field accidents are often preventable. They can happen during basket transfers, line handling, vessels collisions, and diving operations. Many accidents are the same as you'd encounter in many workplaces, such as equipment failures and slip and falls. But because working offshore is more high-risk workplace environment, an injury may also result from a fire or explosion. Despite the big budgets associated with the oil industry, there is sometimes very little training and oversight on an oil rig. This type of employer negligence can result in unsafe working environment. Offshore accidents commonly lead to head trauma, spinal injuries, severed limbs, and other serious injuries. These injuries are often specially caused by: Number 1. Oil rig injuries. Workers on oil rigs use complex and cumbersome equipment to drill and perform other tasks. Many workers aren't properly trained on how to use the needed equipment, which increases the risk of offshore accidents caused by human error. Deck accidents. The deck of an oil rig can be a chaotic environment where fenced workers must constantly be on high alert. Workers are high alert. Workers are surrounded by trip hazards, fall hazards, electrical hazards, and pinch point hazards. They can easily be struck by heavy equipment, slip on wet surfaces, or fall when the sudden lurch of the vessel causes them to lose their balance. Equipment failure. When equipment on an offshore vessel fails, it can result in a number of severe injuries. Workers can be burned or electrocuted, crushed, and even lose limbs. Operating machinery on an oil rig requires a high level of caution to prevent injuries from occurring. Fires and explosions. While not common, fires and explosions are some of the most deadly causes of offshore accidents. They can happen as the result improperly stored fuel. Poorly maintained pipelines or collisions between vessels. When there is a fire, workers may have to jump off the ridge into the ocean, often from a height of at least 100 feet, even though workers are typically trained in the proper way to jump. The stress of the situation may result in a jump that leads to severe injury or drowning.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you get all the answers regarding your questions and you have cleared your concept according to this topic. And thanks for watching complete my video. And please make sure that you have to like my video and then subscribe my channel. I will share information about these topics, so you will get more knowledge about that. So make sure like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.